Turn. Good. Not yet. And turn. Other direction. Together. This time you're dividing. Turn together. Turn right, turn left. Not far enough away to get both of you at the same time. All right, this time it's Gus to the outside, Ace on the inside. Try and make those circles. That looks nice. Turn, Safira. It's a small circle. Okay, get ready to switch circles. Not yet. Safira, get back on the circle. Okay, get ready. You're switching circles here. And switch. Away. Do you get it? Yeah. Okay. So it's like you never make an abrupt turn, right? It's always like you're changing diagonal on the circle. Do your nice circle and then it's thread the needle.
Thread the needle now?
Yep. Gus is first. Make it a nice straight line across. Slow down, Gus. Catch up, Ace. All right, make your circles. Hold on, but yeah, from the original. I think there's one more. It's okay. I got confused too, Safira. Pass each other and line up. Good. All right, dismount. Together, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Run your, wait, let me check my time. Yeah, run your stirrups up. We gotta go in.